there's scones to make this morning, but Rach, we haven't been in the same space because we filmed our lockdown shows all together from different homes, but never actually got to cook together. So this is really exciting.
Lovely, really lovely
Yes,
to actually be stood next to you. First off, we're going to start. Use buttermilk in scones, but I'm a bit frugal. I never buy buttermilk.
Oh, no.
I always just make my own. It's very easy. It's about 5 tablespoons of lemon juice and then 5 tablespoons of milk. Right, into a bowl, I've got 2 cups of flour.
Just normal,
just normal plain flour.
Baking flour,
Yep. Nothing fancy here. We'll just sieve that in. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder.
Nice, you've got that in there together.
And into there also a 1/4 cup of sugar. That's going to go straight in. And then I've got this little guy.
Yes, show me, what is that?
This is a pastry, what's the proper name? Pastry cutter.
Oh, I love it.
Or a dough blender. Got a 110 grams of butter. Cold butter for scones is best.
Right.
And then because you want your butter to stay cold, this is what this is. It literally cuts up the butter and you push down and it will just cut the butter into sort of pea-sized lumps.
Okay.
So we're going to pour this in to our dry ingredients and then we'll give it a quick mix round. I'll just use a knife for this. Yeah, you don't want to over mix. So there's quite a lot of lemon zest in there, but you know, when I do baking, when I make things with lemon, I really want to taste it. And then I'm going to make this as one big circular scone.
I love that, and then you just sort of cut it like a pizza.
Exactly.
Yeah, nice.
I mean, you could, if you wanted, cut them out and do individual scones. They would cook slightly quicker, but I like doing a nice...
Okay, so give that a good
Perhaps
knead.
you could grab for me back there. I've got my baking tray ready.
Absolutely.
So a nice gentle, it's a very soft, lovely soft dough. We're just going to score so you don't cut the whole way through. A bit like a pizza, really.
And then when it's cooked, we can just break it apart.
You can just sort of break it apart. Yep. And then the final touch is I'm just going to sprinkle some extra sugar on top. My lemon scones are looking good actually and smelling really nice. I'm just going to finish them off with a little extra dusting of sugar on top. We're calling this the mega scone today, I think, rather than scones. Has spread perhaps a wee bit more than usual. I'll blame the studio lights for that, but other than that, delicious, just pantry ingredients, lemons from my tree. Hopefully you've got some lemons at home too. I'll bring it over and we can cut this up, shall we?
That is looking so good. I don't even think you need anything with it, do you? I mean,
you
if you
don't.
wanted some jam or something you could, or cream,
You could
but you
do
don't
lemon
need
curd,
it.
but no, I like it just like this.
Love it.